Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about business model canvas of Neuralink. So this Neuralink business is one of the most unicorn companies in India, and it was mainly founded by Elon Musk in 2016, and it is the core tech of brain computer interface, that is BCI, and its important mission is to connect the human brain directly with the computers, and it mainly focuses and mainly treats the neurological disorders and future AI integration. And in this business model canvas, we have 9 components, and first one is customer segments. So who are all the segments of this business? Who are all the customers of this business is the neurological patients. So patients who are suffering from paralysis condition, epilepsy and other neurological disorder, they are the main customers, and several hospitals and neurology clinics also involved in the customers, and several research institutions like universities and scientific bodies, and the defense and advanced technology also comes under the customer segments. Coming to the value propositions, it mainly restores the movement and communication of the neurological patient, and it has mainly the advanced brain implant technology in the form of chip, and it includes the AI based neural signal processing, and it enables the future, and it enhances the human intelligence of the paralyzed patients. And the channels required for this business, it includes several hospitals and surgical centers who are all involved in the neurological disorders, and clinical trials is also validate the safety and efficacy of the patient, and healthcare partnerships also involved the members to solve the and integrate the healthcare providers, and research collaborators also involved in the channel. So through these 4, the business has to be get notified by the other customers also. And coming to the customer relationship, and it indicates the bonding between the customer and the business partners, and this relationship should be a long-term patient care, and the continuous monitoring should involved in this, and the software and device updates also monitored frequently for the successful implantation of this business. Coming to the revenue streams, what are the cost of profit which involves in this business is mainly the sale of implant devices. So how many products has been sold in the market of the implant devices should determine our cost, and the surgical procedure fee involved from the neurological patient also comes under revenue streams, and the research funding. So whatever the research commission or startup commission, so we get fund from the research based on our idea. Coming to the key resources, who are all the key resources? Several neuroscientists and engineers for the software development is the main key resources, and AI and property technology also involved in the key resources, and mainly the strong support funding. So without funding, no other business can emerge successfully. So these are all the important key resources behind the Neuralink business. And coming to the key activities, so the key activities which is involved in the Neuralink operation is mainly the research and development, and several clinical trials has been emerged for the successful business, because clinical trials which improves and it gives the idea for the neurological patients, and the manufacture of the implant devices may also cost varyingly, because the accuracy and the efficacy of that devices to the neurological patient, and the regulatory approval also involved in the key activities. So it should be a main breakthrough R&D feedback into the clinical trials to generate the evidence for the manufacturing, and also the life-changing technology devices. And key partnership, So without partnership, the business cannot be run successfully. So hospital and healthcare providers and several research institutions and the regulatory bodies and Food and Drug Administration and technology based AI companies also involved in the key partnership. Coming to the cost structure, so whatever the implementation process, we need to put some of the effort for the R&D, because high research and developmental expenses is there for the successful treatment of paralysis patient or neurological patients, and the clinical trial cost also would be there, and the manufacturing cost, so manufacturing cost of implant devices, surgical procedures, and AI software also involved in the cost structure. So these are all about the BMC of Neuralink.